summer lights are twinkling bright. I'm sitting here sipping an iced coffee. I won't feel bad for being a little bit naughty. I'll eat a cookie or two, it's just that time of year. I'll stay out later than I should. Might have a glass of wine on a school night. Baby, it's just that time of year. I'll take the scenic route home, it's just that time of year. I'll dig a really deep hole, it's just that time of year. I'll keep digging that hole till there's a very deep hole. Baby, it's just that time of year. When I drag you in the hole, babe, you won't feel a thing. I've knocked you out with a shovel. Woo! When you wake up in that hole, wondering how you got so low, no, it's cause you touched my lower back at a party 4 years ago, and then you made that joke about raping me. And when I see your friends, cause it's that time of year, when the boys will close down the bar, I let them know with my eyes there will be no surprise. If you touch me, I will destroy your life. And when you slowly die, cause it's that time of year, when the nights they get oh so cold, you'll wish you were safe at home, drinking with your bros. But instead you're dying in a hole, because you treated me like I was your property. And ever since then you've been dead to me. Ooh. And the last thing you see will be my face. Cute, right? Fucking cute. Oh my god. Are you guys having the TOML time of my life? I literally am. I feel safe telling you guys now that, yeah, in high school my nickname was Critter. I think because I'm conventionally attractive. Didn't love it. You know why? Because Critter was eventually shortened to Crit, and to me that sounded a lot like clit, and I was like, what's happening to me? But honestly now, like, I am a lot like a clit, right? I'm extremely sensitive. I love to be touched, and straight guys just don't know what to do with me. Sometimes they want to fuck me, sometimes they think I'm like a fun aunt, because like my hair is a little kukululu. And when I go to restaurants and the waiter tells me the specials, I'm always like moaning along. I'm always like, risotto. It's always risotto. I fly through the ceiling. And you know it's a mushroom risotto. Blackout. But even though I'm talking trash about the boys, I'm in a relationship. It's true, I have a boyfriend. Even though I talk trash, I have a boyfriend. I just don't like saying that because I don't like being the kind of girl who's like, I have a boyfriend. Because those are the kind of girls who are like, fruit actually has too much sugar. And so for me, it's a dessert. And then their mouth goes all the way around their head. There's actually a whole genre of Netflix films just about the journey of the mouth. Going clockwise around the face. Is that resonating? Cool. I like it, so I say it. My show, my rules. Have you ever watched a woman break down on stage? Obsessed. Yes, I'm in a relation. You know, I never thought I'd be able to date someone who can watch an entire movie while sitting upright in a wooden chair. But love works in mysterious ways. I mean, to be so close to a bed and say, no, I'm good. I'm gonna stay sitting in this chair for 2.5 hours. That is a special kind of socio. But I am in love, and that's my truth. And the thing is,
I'm sorry. I literally can't stop creating content. It's this whole fucking thing. But I have learned a lot being in a relationship. I think the main thing I've learned is that you always have to put your partner in front of yourself. Unfortunately, I can't do that, so I have to make up for it by being hot.
Do you like that? Oh, usually I wear pants. I'm messy cause I don't have time. When you're messy, I'm mad. When I fart, it's natural. When you fart, it smells so bad. When you're loud, it's annoying. And when I'm loud, it's fun. Welcome to my world. A population one. I'm angry cause I'm passionate. When you're angry, you're unhinged. When I pick out, I earned it. When you do, it's a binge, bitch. When you're drunk, it's depressing. And when I'm drunk, it's fun. Whee! Welcome to my world. A population one. I steal because the world's unfair. You steal cause you're a thief. When you cry, it's whiny. When I cry, it's grief. Oh, when you fuck, it's slutty. When I fuck, I always come. Welcome to my world. A population one. My world, my world, my world. I'm totally unique. My world, it's my understanding that your world must be bleak.
Is this good? Is that something that you like?